Roads are something we all use every day, yet few people ever see how much innovation goes into building and maintaining them. In this video, we take you inside the world of next-level road construction inventions that are changing the way highways, city streets, and urban infrastructure are created. From powerful automated paving machines to smart repair systems and safety technologies, these inventions are making road construction faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Whether it's fixing damaged asphalt in minutes or laying perfectly smooth surfaces with extreme precision, these breakthroughs are shaping the future of transportation. Get ready to see road construction like you've never seen it before. HUESKER HATelit XP. HUESKER HATelit XP is a standout asphalt reinforcement grid that brings real-world performance to road rehabilitation. Made from polyvinyl alcohol with a high bitumen coating, it combines flexibility with high tensile strength, making it highly effective at slowing reflective cracking and resisting damage during installation and traffic loading. Its alkali resistance means it can be placed on both asphalt and concrete surfaces, adding versatility in urban and highway projects. With excellent adhesion and effortless handling, HATelit XP helps extend pavement life, reduce maintenance cycles, and improve overall road durability. Colored Asphalt Ulticolour. Ulticolour colored asphalt is an innovative surfacing solution that brings vibrant color and long-lasting performance to roads, pathways, and public spaces. Using a high-performance clear binder with carefully matched pigments and aggregates, it produces brighter, more durable colors than traditional asphalt without sacrificing structural integrity. Available in SMA and porous formats for improved drainage and sustainable design, Ulticolour can be laid with standard paving equipment, offering fast installation and reduced disruption. Its smooth, monolithic finish enhances visibility, safety, and urban aesthetics while resisting wear over time. GOMACO GP 2400 Slipform Paver. The GOMACO GP 2400 Slipform Paver is a versatile and high-precision concrete paving machine trusted on highways, municipal roads, and infrastructure projects around the world. Available in 2-track or 4-track configurations, it can slipform widths up to 4.88 meters standard and up to 7.3 meters with frame inserts, adapting easily to job site demands. Its G+ digital control system integrates seamlessly with Stringline or 3D guidance for accurate grade and steering, while a U-shaped operator platform enhances visibility and control. Designed for transportability, safety, and smooth continuous concrete placement, the GP2400 delivers reliable performance and precise results across challenging paving applications. VÖGELE SUPER 1800-5X. The VÖGELE SUPER 1800-5X is a highly capable tracked asphalt paver that brings real human value to road building with a balance of power, usability, and precision. Designed for pave widths from roughly 2.55 meters up to 10 meters, it handles everything from urban streets to wider resurfacing work with a laydown rate up to 700 tons per hour. Its Ergo Plus 5 operating concept and comfort package focus on operator ergonomics and intuitive controls, while Eco Plus technology reduces fuel consumption and emissions. With advanced automation like grade assist and robust illumination options for night work, the Super 1800-5X helps crews achieve smooth, uniform asphalt surfaces more efficiently and comfortably on demanding jobs. HUESKER Chipseal Grid. HUESKER Chipseal Grid is a smart geosynthetic reinforcement solution that strengthens and extends the life of spray seal pavement surfaces. It combines a waterproofing non-woven geotextile with a high-strength biaxial reinforcing grid, creating a durable composite that slows reflective cracking and improves surface stability under traffic. When impregnated with bitumen, the geotextile forms an effective moisture barrier, protecting the pavement layers beneath. With minimum biaxial tensile strength of 30 kilonewtons per meter and flexible installation on both existing and milled surfaces, Chipseal Grid enhances aggregate retention and delivers longer-lasting, crack-resistant roads. Simex ART 1000 Gen 2. The Simex ART 1000 Gen 2 is an ingenious cold in-situ asphalt regeneration system that brings a new level of practicality to road maintenance. Designed to attach to compact loaders, it mills, crushes, injects rejuvenator, and mixes existing pavement material on site, eliminating the need to remove old asphalt or add new mix. Its eco-friendly process reuses 100% of the existing bituminous material, reducing waste, material costs, and traffic disruption while delivering quick, durable surface restoration, ready for immediate compaction. The upgraded Gen 2 version also features enhanced onboard electronics and a video interface for real-time control of progress and additive dosing, improving precision and operator experience. Dynapac XD25 The Dynapac XD25 is a modern, highway-class asphalt paver built for precision, efficiency, and operator comfort on large road projects. With a Cummins B 6.7-C 260 engine and up to 1,100 tons per hour theoretical placement capacity, it handles wide paving widths and thick lift profiles with steady performance. Its PaveOS operating system, ergonomic swing seat design, and advanced leveling sensors give operators intuitive control and consistent results. Integrated telematics with Dynalink enables real-time monitoring and fleet optimization. Optional technologies like automatic screed edge control and 3D guidance further enhance accuracy and productivity on complex job sites. GOMACO GP4 Slipform Paver. The GOMACO GP4 Slipform Paver is a remarkable concrete paving machine engineered for heavy infrastructure projects like highways, airports, and wide pavements. It can pave up to 12.2 meters wide in a single pass and adjust to different widths with its dual telescoping frame designed for precision and adaptability. Its proprietary G+ control system integrates with stringline and 3D guidance, enabling accurate grade, steering, and automated frame widening, while smart leg positioning and track steering make navigating curves smoother and more efficient. With operator comfort and efficient transport setup, the GP4 combines power, precision, and modern control. VÖGELE SUPER 2100-3i. The VÖGELE SUPER 2100-3i is a high-performance highway-class asphalt paver that blends power, efficiency, and operator comfort for large-scale road projects. Powered by a Cummins 6-cylinder diesel engine with Eco Plus fuel-saving technology, it delivers strong output with reduced consumption and lower noise levels, supporting sustainable site operation. With a maximum paving width up to about 13 meters and laydown rates around 1,100 tons per hour, the Super 2100-3i handles long continuous runs smoothly. Its Ergo Plus 3 operating system and Niveltronic Plus grade control make it intuitive to run, while features like PaveDock Assistant ensure reliable mix transfer and consistent mat quality on busy highways. Dynapac MatTracker. The Dynapac MatTracker is a practical edge-following system that brings precision and safety to asphalt paving operations. Designed to automatically regulate the screed's working width, it uses a near-infrared camera to track existing edges, curb lines, or milling profiles, ensuring consistent overlap and high-quality longitudinal joints without constant manual adjustment. This automation not only delivers uniform edges and better pavement integrity, but also keeps operators out of high-risk zones near live traffic. Easy to install and operate from the integrated side shield control panel, MatTracker enhances paving accuracy and crew safety on demanding road jobs. HOFMANN H33. The HOFMANN H33 is a robust and highly capable road marking machine that blends power, flexibility, and precision for highway, airport, and urban pavement striping. Powered by a 4-cylinder Kubota turbo diesel engine, it delivers reliable performance with cooling systems that adjust fan speed for quiet operation and optimal temperature control. The machine supports a wide range of marking materials, including cold paints, 2-component plastics, and thermoplastics, and can lay lines from 10 centimeters up to 100 centimeters wide depending on configuration. Its adjustable operator cockpit, excellent visibility, and modular application units make setup and maintenance straightforward, while pressurized glass bead tanks and optional features enhance safety and versatility on the job site. Metalbac und Farbe Spotflex. The Metalbac and Farbe Spotflex marking system is an advanced two-component cold plastic road marking solution engineered for durability, visibility, and long-lasting performance under heavy traffic. It uses a methyl methacrylate-based agglomerate material applied in a defined 3 to 5 mm profile that enhances nighttime retroreflectivity and wet weather visibility compared to standard flat paints. Its structured dots shed water and maintain reflectivity even in rain, delivering superior safety guidance. Spotflex markings can be extruded at higher application speeds with minimal traffic disruption and are suited to highways, urban roads, and other high-demand pavement environments where longevity and clarity matter. PSS RAPTOR Rover. The PSS RAPTOR Rover is a smart, safety-focused trailer system that modernizes how temporary rumble strips are deployed and retrieved in roadwork zones. Designed to tow behind a half-ton, or larger, pickup truck, it carries and supports the Roadquake 2F temporary portable rumble strip handling machine, enabling crews to set up and break down safety rumble strips without leaving the vehicle. With a 7,000-pound single axle capacity, onboard batteries rechargeable by solar or trailer plug, and optional arrow boards for enhanced visibility, it improves efficiency, reduces manual labor, and keeps workers out of live traffic for safer operations. Meon PermaFyx L273. The Meon PermaFyx L273 is a standout cold-applied asphalt repair system engineered for permanent pothole and surface defect restoration, without the need for hot mix or heavy machinery. Based on a high-performance methyl methacrylate resin, it chemically bonds to existing pavement and cures in about 30 minutes, enabling quick reopening to traffic. Its no compaction requirement and professional finish that mimics hot-lay asphalt make it ideal for high-traffic roads, ironwork reinstatements, and reactive maintenance where speed, durability, and minimal disruption are priorities. RoadPrinter Bricklaying Machine. The RoadPrinter Bricklaying Machine is a clever solution that makes block and brick road paving far easier and more ergonomic. Instead of laying every individual piece by hand, workers load loose bricks into a hopper and arrange them vertically, allowing the machine to lower them onto the surface via gravity as it moves backward. It can pave widths from about 1 meter up to 6 meters in one pass, including edge finishing, dramatically reducing physical strain and speeding up installation compared to traditional methods. With adjustable widths and simple operation, the RoadPrinter boosts productivity, supports smoother block patterns, and helps crews complete brick-paved surfaces more efficiently.